usual kids and youth activities are now on a break for the summer, but don't worry, we'll be back in September.
Never gonna stop, never gonna stop, never gonna stop, never gonna stop.
Our holiday summer club is fast approaching and it's going to be happening on the 16th to the 19th of August. It's happening every day for that week from 10 till 12 each day. And guess what? It's only £5 for the family. So why would you not get involved? But listen, there's going to be cake, more cake and more cake on that week because it is the Great Cake Off. So make sure you book in via our website to secure your space for that holiday summer club. Don't forget, you can still get your Devoted ticket online for our women's conference that's happening on the 1st of October. Connect groups are now on a break for the summer as well, but if you want to meet with yours socially, then just chat to your Connect group leader. So that's all for XL News, but make sure that you stay up to date with what's going on during the summer and beyond on our calendar on our website. And also, have a great summer, guys.